Helmets are essential for safety. They protect our heads from injury. Whether biking, skating, or scootering, a helmet is your best friend. Wearing a helmet can save your life. Always wear a helmet that fits properly. A helmet should be snug but comfortable. Make sure the chin strap is fastened securely. Replace your helmet if it's damaged. A helmet absorbs impact during a fall. It distributes the force over a wider area. This lessens the severity of head injuries. Choose a helmet designed for your specific activity. Remember, safety should always be your top priority. A helmet is a small investment for your well-being. Make it a habit to wear a helmet every time you engage in activities that require head protection. Your head will thank you for it. Creating your own helmet is a rewarding project. Start by gathering the necessary materials. You will need a sturdy outer shell for protection. A hard plastic bowl or a papier-mâché mold can work well. For cushioning, use foam padding. Closed-cell foam is ideal for impact absorption. You can find foam padding at craft stores or online. Measure your head circumference for proper sizing. Secure the padding to the outer shell. Use strong adhesive or fabric glue. Ensure a snug fit to prevent movement. Trim excess padding for a neat appearance. Additional materials include fabric for lining. Choose a soft and breathable fabric. Cotton or microfiber blends are comfortable options. Gather sewing supplies, such as a needle and thread. Now it's time to shape your helmet. If using a plastic bowl, trim the edges for comfort. Sand down any rough surfaces. For a papier-mâché mold, shape it while it's still wet. Use a utility knife or scissors for cutting. Wear protective gloves to avoid injuries. Take your time and make gradual adjustments. Check the fit periodically. Once the outer shell is shaped, add padding. Cut the foam padding to the desired thickness. Use a serrated knife for precise cutting. Adhere the padding to the inside of the shell. Ensure the padding covers all areas. Pay attention to the forehead, temples, and back of the head. Use multiple layers of padding if needed. Smooth out any wrinkles or air bubbles. Section 4. Adding layers of protection. To enhance protection, consider additional layers. A layer of impact-resistant plastic can be added. This provides an extra barrier against impact. Polycarbonate sheets are commonly used. Cut the plastic sheet to fit the outer shell. Secure it using rivets or strong adhesive. Overlap the edges slightly for added strength. Smooth out any sharp edges. For the inner lining, cut the fabric to size. Sew the fabric together to create a liner. This liner provides comfort and absorbs moisture. Insert the liner into the helmet. Secure the liner to the padding using fabric glue. Ensure a snug fit to prevent slipping. Trim any excess fabric for a clean finish. Your DIY helmet is now taking shape. Section 5. Personalizing your helmet. Now comes the fun part, personalization. Let your creativity shine. Paint your helmet with your favorite colors. Use stencils to create designs. Add stickers or decals for a unique touch. Use waterproof markers to write your name. Personalization makes your helmet stand out. Attach accessories for added flair. A visor can shield your eyes from the sun. Lights improve visibility in low-light conditions. Choose accessories that enhance safety and style. Remember, personalization should not compromise safety. Avoid attachments that could obstruct vision or become hazards. Make it your own while keeping safety in mind. Section 6. Safety first. Before using your DIY helmet, test its safety. Check for any loose parts or sharp edges. Ensure the padding is secure and provides adequate cushioning. While a DIY helmet can be fun, it's essential to prioritize safety. It's recommended to use a certified helmet for high-impact activities. DIY helmets may not offer the same level of protection. Always wear your helmet correctly. Fasten the chin strap securely. The helmet should sit level on your head. Replace your helmet if it's involved in a crash. Remember, safety is paramount. Enjoy your DIY helmet responsibly. Use it for low-impact activities and prioritize certified helmets when necessary. Stay safe and have fun.